Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to show you how to add a comment or possibly a video to our daily discussion board. So you'll come in here to your course and find your folder for today. Underneath our daily learning plan, you will see these little speech bubbles and discussion board. And usually I'll give you some ideas down here of something I'd like to hear about your day, something that you did or a book that you read. And usually we'll use these things to see how your learning is going, and also we'll talk about some of those things in the afternoon, in our afternoon meeting. So first you'll click on discussion board. To write a comment, you will click on there and just type in, oh, today I read Turkey Trouble to my dog. Okay. And then you can post that, and there I have your comment. And I can like it, I can leave a reply to it, just let you know that if I've read that book or anything else that I think about your post. If you want to try a video, you would come here to your little box again and click the microphone. Audio is just sound, but I like to see you, so I'd like you to use audio and video. Oh, it's actually not going to let me do that because I'm already using the audio and video to record this video, so that kind of stinks. But if you can kind of figure it out from there, once you click audio and video, it will ask for permission to use your microphone and camera, and you'll say yes or allow. Then you'll record your video, and there will be a little button at the bottom that says insert, and you'll click insert, and that will put it up here in the discussion board. And you might have to push this post button again. You might need mom or dad or somebody that you're with during the day to kind of help you navigate this the first time you do it. But give it a try. It's really fun. Try not to leave super duper long videos, because we're just not going to have all day to watch an hour-long video of you talking about your dog or whatever, but just share a short little video related to what we're talking about today. Okay, boys and girls? Thank you very much and good luck. I cannot wait to see your videos and read your comments.